Good morning, Shiver, and all my new friends. Look at this beautiful sunrise. We are on a mission to get stuff out of the trash and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. Looks like we're going to have a beautiful day to do it, so come on, let's dive in and get to it. Got a little more sun now, don't we? And we got some coax. We can chuck that in with some shred. Yeah. The end is bent, but that's all right. We'll still get it. There we go. Your metal, we can take you. We can take the metal brolly. Bunch of duck decoys. Somebody getting rid of their decoys. Guess they're not going hunting anymore. Okay. And a shepherd's hook, which has seen better days. I've seen better days. So we're in that weird time of year where the sun is coming up later, and that means it's dark when I first get started, if I'm gonna get out some reasonable amount of time ahead of the G-Man, or at least try to be ahead of the G-Man. And recording in the dark is problematic, and we haven't gone into daylight savings time. You know, we haven't shifted the clocks yet, so we start out the day in the dark and then we go from there. There's a moon out there still. I don't know if you all can see that moon. Sprinklers are still going. All right, Brolly. You big old Brolly. First, let's get you undressed. Now, let's see. You should come apart easy enough. You appear to be in good condition. Cool. Come on. All right. Yeah, that computer is not going to go in the shred, obviously, but it's got mummification all over the front of it there. Almost looks like somebody threw up on it or smeared their dinner on it or something. But the inside is nice and clean, so. And that's the part that counts. There's some metal. Some nice sheet metal. Gotta watch that sheet metal, man. That stuff can be sharp. That can tear you up. Do you mind if I take some of your metal and get it recycled? No, that'd be great. All righty. All right. Ooh. Yeah. To do with everything. We try to keep it out of the landfill.
That's good.
He'll take some buckets too. Buckets are always useful. I can take that. Yeah, sure.
I have 3 of them.
Yeah, we can take that.
Okay.
Wonderful. You all getting ready to move or something, or just cleaning up?
I just want to get this in the garage, and I'm going to try to see if I can get that in the garage too.
Good luck. Are you getting rid of the wire wreckage there?
Yeah, you can take it.
Okay.
Yard stuff, but then I kept seeing snakes, and so no, I don't do it anymore, but I have the remnant.
Hello. Yeah, don't worry about snakes. They don't bother me.
Yeah, they do. You want a broken shovel?
Pardon me?
Shovel?
Yeah, sure. I'll take the broken shovel. Yeah. Pardon me?
I think I already threw it out.
This is a really messy load. Hey ho, silver. Okay. We got some fanage going on. Fanage and wireage. That's what I want you to break. This one's being annoying. It's because it's real plywood instead of real plywood. That's funny, real plywood. A lot of times this stuff is cardboard or so cheaply made that it breaks real fast. Not that one. That one's a little higher quality. This may be one of those rare occasions when this is a dishwasher that I can take, because it is metal. As many of you probably know, most dishwashers just have plastic bodies. The scrapyard that I normally take this stuff to, they don't always, but they can dock you 20 pounds for a dishwasher, because it tends to be mostly plastic. However, if it is a metal body dishwasher, then they won't do that, obviously. So I tend to check the dishwashers, and if it's a metal body dishwasher, I'll take it. If it's a plastic body dishwasher, I usually don't take it. It's just not worth it to me. Just flip you around like this. Take advantage of that handle there. Hopefully that handle will grip long enough for me to, oop. Almost had that leverage right. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Yeah, did you leave any wiring in here for me? Anything good? Nope. All right, no worries. How are you all doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Here we are. Come on. Or ubiquitous wire shelving. Ooh. Don't want the suitcase. We will take you. Some more ubiquitous wire shelving. Let's see. Grab you. You're a nice chunk of metal. It's a very nice chunk of metal, actually. Oh man, these folks really get into their Halloween, don't they? All right, and I don't know what's going on over here. I think that is a Halloween display that fell over. Yeah, I think that's supposed to be something like a spaceship or something. It fell over. I don't think it's scrap. Well, it was definitely a beautiful day to be street scrapping, even if we didn't find a lot of stuff. But we did still find some ubiquitous wire shelving, so don't forget to leave your guesses down below. What's the length of ubiquitous wire shelving that we picked up today? Should be pretty easy. We only got 3 pieces there. On the shred side, not a great day. 280 pounds, and the price went down. It's now 8.75 cents a pound. It used to be 9 cents a pound. So it was only a $24.50 day from the shred perspective. But remember, we found some non-shred kind of things. You know, we got a couple of fans and stuff like that. So, you know, not a great day, but you know what? It was a better day than being in an office or anything like that. Hey, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's been that little red button that's been hanging out in the lower right hand corner. It's also going to be the icon that's going to be in the middle of the two links that are popping up here to take you to more of my street scrapping videos. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Have a great day. Be safe.